This video demonstrates anomaly detection for IoT devices in a consumer home network. AUD Manager is a software component that implements the analytics showcased in this video. It is intended to run on any central network equipment, such as routers and gateways. Its primary task is to collect traffic samples and maintain situational awareness of surrounding network activity. In this example, we have AUD Manager running on a Raspberry Pi, which acts as a gateway to a few IoT devices. The AUD Manager implements a REST API for user interaction and control. We can check the sample status for a specific device, but as expected, there are no samples before connecting a device. Here we have a Philips Hue bridge device for smart lights, which will now connect to the internet. We connect it via the Raspberry gateway on the left. It has AUD Manager running inside, which will start collecting network samples from the very beginning of our device's startup routines. If we now take another look at the samples AUD Manager has collected, we'll see the list getting populated as samples are collected in real time. Each sample in this list represents a unique type of network activity AUD Manager has witnessed related to our Hue bridge. Once AUD Manager has a sufficient amount of samples, we can leverage temporal data and construct a more detailed usage description, which also covers statistical information. We may also aggregate samples from external origins to complement the local model. We refer to these models as aggregated usage descriptions. With an AUD model operational inside the AUD Manager, we can catch any network activity that is not part of the AUD model we have constructed. Here's an example where we ping our IoT device. Despite the fact that it's a harmless ping, the AUD Manager picks this activity up and labels it as unforeseen network activity. A similar situation occurs if we perform a curl query to our IoT device. AUD Manager does not expect to see curl queries towards this device, hence the activity is labeled as unforeseen. For interoperability with existing standards, AUD models can be compiled into MUD-compatible files. If desired, this resulting MUD file could be enforced as an access control measure on the local gateway. This would effectively restrict the network usage of our IoT device to only communication with endpoints and protocols AUD Manager has witnessed so far. By definition, an anomaly is something that deviates from normal. An AUD model strives to define the normal network behavior of an IoT device. Any network activity that falls outside this definition should be considered as an anomaly and subjected to further analysis for a verdict on whether it's benign or malicious.